And I have a few more questions to ask about.
Yeah.
First thing, do you watch cricket?
Yes, IPL.
IPL.
Yeah.
Which team do you like most in 2024?
Well, 2024,
Mm.
I must admit that Hyderabad Sunrisers have done exceedingly well.
Exactly.
Actually, I am a Mumbaiker. Actually, I'm a true Mumbaiker. So, for me, Mumbai team is my favorite actually. But looking at their performance this year, Hyderabad Sunrisers, I feel bad that how come they never did good in the past 4 5 years. This year they have done amazingly well. Like it is, they rocked and they shocked the nation. And the captain especially Cummins has done an amazing, fantastic job. Fantastic. See where has he brought the team. Super, super. A big fan of Hyderabad Sunrisers this IPL.
Actually, you are from Mumbai.
Yeah, Mumbai Indians.
Why did you choose? Why did you support SRH instead of Mumbai?
Because of their current performance. Because see the last 4 5 years have been not so good. I don't know for whatever reason, but how they came up this year, how they performed, amazing. I became a big fan of the whole team. Amazing. The whole team has done a wonderful job under the captaincy.
Okay. Can you sing any currently trending song in YouTube?
Currently trending song is well, I've been listening to one song in the loop that is
Which one, Telugu or Hindi version?
Arey Telugu Baba. I've been here for a while, so I've been listening to whenever I'm driving, I'm turned the radio on and I listen to Telugu songs only. And I have been listening to this one song. Jaragandi, 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 jabalamma jakatesukochinandi. Jaragandi, 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 paradasu pavadasu kochinandi.
Okay, madam. Thanks for giving your precious and valuable time to Santosham TV. Thanks for coming. I hope you will become what you want in future.
Thank you so much.
You want to do films, right?
Yeah,
As an
actually,
actor?
yes. I would love to explore that also because
What?
actually, when I was young, now like to now, to I am.
You are very young.
No. Well, age is age. Come on, that has to be like you have to accept it. So, but when I was really young, when I was like really young in my age, young I was. So now I look young, but I'm not that young. So when I was really young, I used to get a lot of offers to work in movies and all that. But I was so stupid. I said no, I don't want to work. I just want to concentrate on my music career, which was at that time I think that was the right thing. But no, now everybody wants to see the singer, maybe know the singer, on screen, and then probably listen to them. I think that's how it is, nowadays. I would love to, if I get any chance, any opportunities, I would love to. Maybe do this one's this some of these wonderful heroes, amma or sister or something.
What kind
like
of
that.
roles to do in films?
I would
Only
love-
Amma sister or else?
Anything is fine. Anything is fine. Whatever, looking at me, whatever the director feels, okay, she can do this. And I would love to. I would love to explore that side actually.
Okay, I hope it will be work out very soon
I hope so too.
in Telugu.
I hope so too, Deva. Thank you so much.
Okay, madam. Thanks for giving your time.
It
to
was
Santosham
such a
TV.
pleasure.
And keep rocking, keep entertaining us like a singer and actor.
Oh, surely. Thank you so much. It's such a pleasure to talk to your audience. It was such an amazing, wonderful experience to chat with you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
చూసారు కదా ఫ్రెండ్స్, మన సింగర్ పూనం భాటియా గారి ఇంటర్వ్యూ. సో ఆమెలో చాలా మెస్మరైజింగ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇంటర్వ్యూలో మీరు చూసినవే కాకుండా ఇంకా చాలా ఉన్నాయి, మీరు త్వరలో చూడబోతున్నారు. సో ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే ప్లీజ్ డూ లైక్, షేర్, కామెంట్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు సంతోషం టీవీ. బెల్ ఐకాన్ ప్రెస్ చేయడం మర్చిపోద్దు. అంటిల్ దెన్, సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్, దేవ్ టంపల.